AER is an annual equivalent rate. It is a rate of interest that is calculated on a yearly basis, taking into account compound interest. Therefore, it takes into account interest accrued previously. So in a savings account, for example, it will take into account interest earned on your interest. The formula for AER is AER equals 1 plus R over N to the power of N minus 1, where R is the interest rate as a decimal, and N is the number of times the interest is paid in 1 year. APR, the annual percentage rate, are given for mortgages, loans, and credit cards, and they factor in additional charges and costs as well as the interest rate. This allows people to easily compare rates between different lenders without having to factor in extra charges. Usually when you see an APR figure advertised for a loan, this is just the representative APR. This means that not everyone will be applicable for this rate depending on credit checks conducted by the lender. The current rule on representative APR is that a minimum of 51% of customers who apply must get the advertised representative APR. The actual APR you get is called your personal APR, which may vary substantially from the representative APR. For example, Jamie wants to open a savings account and sees an account that offers 6.5% interest paid on a monthly basis. Calculate the AER of this account to 2 decimal places. So, in this case, we need this as a decimal. This is our interest rate. So that's going to be 0.065. And then it's on a monthly basis, which means during a year, it will be paid out 12 times. So this is R, and we know that N is 12. We can substitute those in, and we'll get 1 plus 0.065 over 12 to the power of 12 minus 1. Here, we could simplify it down if you want to, or just stick it straight into your calculator, and you will get 0.066971, and so on. It carries on for a little bit. If we want this as a percentage, because that's what AER is, we're going to need to times this by 100. And we will get 6.70 to 2 decimal places. If you found this video useful, why not try the Topic test on our learning platform? Here, you can answer a series of questions and get instant feedback on how you've done in a written solution format that explains exactly how to solve the problem.